friends, this is Vishnu. Today's video is all about all we have done in STEM Affair event organized by Walnut English Medium School. We have demonstrated a domestic water filter with the help of household material. STEM Affair event literally means showcasing of science, technology, engineering, maths concepts by students like us. I would like to thank my Walnut English Medium School for giving us an opportunity to participate in this fair.
सर्वज्ञानंद तेली. My name is Atharva Yannappa Nandivale. My name is Vishrut Aparna Vishal Divre. Vishnu Shital Nayan Girme. We are in 4th standard. Our division is F. Our project title is Homemade Water Filter. We have used materials such as plastic bottle, cotton, sand, pebbles, gravel stones, charcoal. First cut the bottom of the plastic bottle, then put the cap side upside down. Then we have to put the cotton as the first layer. As the second layer we have to put some sand. After sand we have to put some charcoal as the third layer. As the fourth layer we have to put some gravel. Then we have to put some pebbles as the fifth layer. Then we have to put some dirty water from above. Then we have to take it from clean water from below. Yes, this is a dirty water.
Okay.
Now I am putting in a filter. It is coming a clean water. 900 million people drink dirty water every day. 40% people do not have drinking water. If we drink muddy water, our causes disease like cholera and typhoid. To drink water, first lubricates the eyes, second removes toxin, third higher metabolism, fourth good skin, fifth healthy heart, sixth for blood and body fluid.
My many other friends have also participated in this event. Various model of wind turbine showcasing the conversion of wind energy into electrical energy was on display.
This is
Some have showcased demonstration of pressure effect. One group have demonstrated soil erosion concepts, which is very important to understand. It is very necessary to stop soil erosion. One group have demonstrated chemical reaction of egg and vinegar.
very good.
There was also model displaying human lungs working with the help of balloons.
दाखव ना ते कसं काम करतं.
We have stretched this balloon and air flow from the straw. Can we give us some explanations?
Okay.
There was another display of water distribution system using household material. It was very nice to understand how water is distributed from dam to our houses. There was one group who have demonstrated the hydraulic working of crane. Our project of domestic water filter was visited by all teachers in Walnut English Medium School. Also, there are parents and our other friends who gave us lot of encouragement and good positive reviews. We got almost 100 plus reviews.
And pebbles of solid dust.
Here we can see detailed information of windmill project. This group have given very good demonstration of drip irrigation model. This group have demonstrated solar panel concept and conversion of solar energy into electrical energy.
तुम्ही काय केलं रे सोलर कुकर
My project group was really amazed by the response we received from all parents, teachers, and our fellow students.
Charcoal, gravel stones and pebbles. First cut the bottom of the plastic bottle. Then
In future, we all would like to participate in all such events.
Then put some cotton as the first layer. As the second layer, we have to put some sand.
Once again, I would like to thank very much to our Walnut English Medium School to give us opportunity to demonstrate the concept of domestic water filter. And due to this event, we became very good friends.
See the dirty water. It is coming.
I myself, along with Sarvajna, Vishruth and Atharva, have thoroughly enjoyed this event. Because of this event, we got opportunity to discuss many things regarding project. It was also first event as a team. We all got opportunity to interact among ourselves and we all became good friends. Thank you very much.